In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch live sports on ESPN Plus so you can enjoy your favorite games and events. Let's get started. To watch live sports on ESPN Plus, start by subscribing to the service through the ESPN app or website. Download the ESPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, and log into your account. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, activate it by visiting espn.com/activate and entering the code displayed on your screen. Once logged in, navigate to the Live Sports section in the app. Here you'll find a schedule of live events, including UFC, soccer, MLB, NHL, and more. Select the game you want to watch and stream it directly. For uninterrupted viewing, ensure you have a stable internet connection. For offline access, download eligible content while connected to Wi-Fi and view it later in the Downloads section. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy live sports on ESPN Plus.